Hey, welcome back to Plan of the Month and Floor Plan Friday. This is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us. I wanted to talk this month about our newly redesigned Riverbend plan. The Riverbend is about 3,304 square feet. It's one of our largest standard plans, and it's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. The main level features the master suite, which is got your walk-in closet, your master bath. And this is perfect if you're working from home, because there's an office that is right next to the master bedroom. That office is also connected to a large great room, which is going to be perfect for entertaining family and friends. And then that is connected directly to the kitchen and the breakfast nook area. Another thing I love about this plan is the garage is attached directly to the house. You come in through the garage into the utility mudroom. It's a great place for a drop zone if you want to drop your keys and take off your boots and then go into the house. So this main level has a little over 1,700 square feet, and it is an ideal space for main level living. If you want to be on the main floor with your master suite, with your office, with your great room, with all your entertaining space, this is an ideal plan. And I love all the outdoor covered porch space, the open deck off the great room, and then the covered porch off of the great room and off of the breakfast and kitchen area. So this main level has everything that you'll need. The second story is ideal as well if you like to entertain guests and you like to have family over. There is a huge family room. This is could be a rec room, but this is a great space if you want to do a TV room for the kids, kind of like a bonus room area. And then upstairs it has 3 full bedrooms and 2 full baths. So if you've got young kids, this is a great space for their bedrooms. And if you want a guest suite, there is a nice spacious guest suite as well. So this plan is really has it all. And so come check out the Riverbend plan, this month's plan of the month for June 2022. Please check out more of our plans at stonemill.com. If you have any questions on any of our floor plans or how we can modify any of our floor plans, please feel free to call us anytime at 800-438-8274. Thanks for joining us for Plan of the Month and Floor Plan Friday.